Hi there, students. A coterie. Okay, a coterie, a countable noun. A coterie is a group of people that often meet together and they have shared interests. Very often they don't want other people to join them. So it's like a clique. So a group of people with special interests. Yeah. There's often a very select group of people, and they frequent with one another very often. So a group of friends or people with common interests. So a coterie of writers. Okay, so I don't know if you know the Bloomsbury group or the Bloomsbury set. This was a set of writers and intellectuals who used to meet together at the first half of the 20th century. Virginia Woolf, Lytton Strachey, Duncan Grant, John Maynard Keynes, and various other people as well. Yeah, E.M. Forster as well. And they used to discuss things and talk together. There was actually also at that time, about 1910, a group which called itself the Coterie. Yeah, and this was a group of aristocrats and intellectuals who met together. I get the feeling that the Coterie were a bit jealous of the Bloomsbury set. I don't think they were quite as smart or quite as intellectual. Okay, so a coterie, it's a group of people that meet together. So yes, very often at work we go out for a few drinks after work. Our own private little coterie, yeah, a group of people. Maybe the extremely rich are a coterie of power brokers. Okay, they meet together and they work together. Okay, so it's like an exclusive group, a clique. So what about formality? Well, I think I would give this word 7.5 in formality. I think if you use coterie in an informal conversation, most people are not going to know what it means. A clique, an exclusive group in more informal English. Use it in something semi-formal or formal. So in any place there are various different coteries, groups of people who normally meet together because they have things in common. Yeah, there's always a coterie of football fans in the pub on a Saturday night watching the football. Okay, these are always people that get together. Yeah, or maybe there was a coterie of jockeys talking together at the racetrack. Now, as to origin, let's see, it probably comes from, well, firstly, it probably comes from French, from the French word côte, meaning a hut or a cottage. Yeah, and that itself probably comes from the old Norse word kat, meaning a hut, which itself comes from a Proto-Germanic word kutan, yeah, meaning some sort of dwelling. Okay, so cot, as in cottage. I'm also thinking of the word a dovecot. It's where all the doves live. Okay, so a small house, but in French, coterie was also a select group of people that meet together. Yeah, there are various political coteries of people who associate together and have private meetings. Okay, so this is a coterie, a select group of people with similar interests, and generally they don't want other people to join them. Yes, a clique. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Coterie.